Well, the snow melted off a little, but now it's back. So I've been working on plumbing the radiator. I was working on wiring, and it was time to wire the fan. And I hadn't put the fan in yet, so I decided to detour and go ahead and do that. So fan's in, one wire you ground, I just put it there. The other one is wired right through there. These little weather pack connectors I bought are really no good. They're brittle. So I'll show you that brand in a minute so you can avoid it. But here's the top radiator hose. This fitting here is indexed, so I had to cut off the index piece so that I could turn it a little bit, and then connected the stainless steel hose to it and put the reservoir right here. A little high, I might have to lower it down, but it's good for now. So that's the overflow reservoir. And go around here. We see, I wasn't able to use the stainless hose on the bottom just because of the angles. I have plenty of it left, but couldn't use it there. So, however, this hose that did come with the Coyote kit from Factory 5 was perfect, and it's quite a awkward angle. You can see the hose goes under there and comes up through here. So that worked out pretty good. So I'm glad they included that hose in the kit. So now that that's in, I'll get back to the wiring real quickly. These are those weather pack connectors I got on Amazon, and they've been very brittle. I've had several break on me, which is frustrating. So I'd recommend staying away from that brand. And I'll get back on the wiring and send another update. Maybe we'll, one of these days, get thawed out.